There's an interesting lightning, electrical storm, something like that going on in the clouds up there. Because as you can see, it is not raining and it is bright blue sky, but just in that little stretch of clouds there, there's a whole bunch of lightning going off, which I could see from out of my bedroom window. So now I have come to record it. Being that that's not something I commonly see. And yeah, there's no noise, so I assume it's just some sort of electrical storm in the clouds. I don't know, because I'm not smart enough to know what the exact cause is. But that will be that.